Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to favorite or unfavorite contacts on your Samsung Galaxy S23. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to open the phone app and here move to the tab which is named Contacts. Here you would need to choose a contact, for example, any contact that you would like to favorite, and click on its tab. Here, click on this icon, which is gray with a little eye on it, and we are on the menu. Here, to favorite contact, we would need to click on this star icon which is saying favorites. By clicking on it, this contact will be added to favorite contacts and we would be able to find it on this tab which is saying favorites and showing all the favorite contacts at the top of the list. So you can add here a lot of important people which you would like to see at the top of the list with no need to find them in your whole contact list. And now let me show you how to unfavorite contact. For that, click on the Contact tab, then click on this gray circle again, and here click on the same icon with a star. After this contact will be no more in the Favorite tab. And this is it for today. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.